Hi friends, welcome to Ftopreview.com. In this video, we're learning how to check DirectX version on your Windows 11 laptop. So I'm using Dell Precision 7740 and it is very simple to check DirectX version. So how to do that? Go to Start menu, then search about task. You can see here, task. Then you will get this search result and open that task manager. After opening, from the left side, you can see there is many tabs. First one is process, second one is performance. Click on performance, then you can see GPU sections. I have two GPU. GPU1 is internal memory, internal graphics card. Second one is dedicated graphics card. So click on GPU first, and you can see here there is DirectX version 12 FL 12.1. So in this way, you can easily identify which DirectX version running on your laptop. So that's guys very simple tutorial, and if you need any kind of PC or Mac tutorial, just comment below. I will post my replace as videos so you can easily watch and understand it. And if you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe our channel for getting more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.